Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'll be washing my summer car, the Turbo X. Here are some before shots.
So, here are some before shots. We've had some rainy days here in Sweden, and rain and a black car doesn't really go together that well. So, yeah.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it.
So, here I am covering the wheels with a all-purpose cleaner, and I'll be agitating the chemicals with a stiff brush.
Can't stop it from shining through.
And here I am soaking the rims with a alkaline degreaser. I would have used a wheel cleaner to get rid of brake dust and other iron particles, but I had none at hand and my wheels were recently detailed, so there wasn't any need for that kind of harsh and strong chemicals. So an alkaline degreaser will do it.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
Here I am using the same alkaline degreaser as before. This certain degreaser have some wax additives to it which helps with hydrophobic abilities and shine. The same procedure here, I'm covering the whole car with alkaline degreaser. Also, when rinsing the greasers, I start from bottom of the car working my way up, which is the most effective way.
So, the Turbo X have now gotten a touchless pre-wash, and now I'll be using a snow foam to cover the car. I'll also be using this as a lubricant.
Oh man, isn't that satisfying? Here I am using a soft brush to agitate the dirt and really get into these tight areas.
And now it's time for the shampoo stage, the hand wash stage. I'll be using the 2-bucket method. One bucket with the shampoo and another bucket for the rinse. I'll be using this Shine Purify. It's from a Swedish company. Really good products.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.
Also, I forgot to mention, I'll be using this microfiber towel as a sponge.
When shampooing, I like to divide the car in sections, working in order of right side, left side, back and front. starting on the roof.
I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe
And when rinsing off the shampoo, you work your way from the top down.
it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
This is mainly why I choose to use a microfiber towel instead of a regular sponge to shampoo with. The towel is very handy and easy to use when you're working in tight spots. Also, the towel are very soft and slides really easy on the paint, reduces the risk of getting scratches. As the last step before drying, I'm spraying the paint with a ceramic quick coat. This is by far the easiest product to use. Just spray on and rinse off. Just don't let the product sit for long.
it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Now it's time for the most boring but maybe the most important step of the car wash. To dry the car, here I'm using a big microfiber towel.
let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Now the whole car is dried and it's time for a devious cold start. Enjoy! May this be the best sounding V6 in the world? Let me know in the comments below. Here are some aftershots. That's all for me. I just wanted to show you how I do a maintenance wash on the Turbo X. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.